In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the slow reverse zoom filter on TikTok. This is pretty cool, so let's just get straight into it. Once you're on the TikTok camera like I am right now, tap on there at the bottom left hand corner where it says effects. Then in the second row for me, with that face with the arrows pointing away from the face, that is the slow reverse zoom filter. If I tap on that, you can see you have options. You can select 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and 30 seconds. So if I go to 15 seconds, it will zoom out much slower. And if I go to 30 seconds, even slower. I personally like the 10-second one. That one looks pretty good to me. You can record your video from here. But if you're not finding the filter for any reason from within this effects tray underneath the trending section, you can go back again out of the TikTok camera, then tap on the Discover tab at the bottom there. Then in the search bar, you want to search for slow reverse zoom. So just type out slow reverse zoom. You can see I have it in my recents there. I'll tap on it and then it should pop up there with the effect and some videos underneath it. Now, if you're not seeing this effect over there, that means the filter is not yet rolled out for your specific country. So you just have to wait. These videos are fairly recent, so just keep an eye out. Update your TikTok app to the latest version as well. But you can either tap on there where it says effects, or you can tap on any one of the videos. I'll just tap on there where it says effects. You can add it to your specific favorites, and then you'll see some videos using the filter, and you can try this effect by tapping that button at the bottom. And it'll just take a moment to load, and there you go. It is now zooming out. Just select your time frame that you want it to zoom out, record your video, add your effects, and then go through the posting process. So that is how you get the slow reverse zoom filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.